Hello, and welcome to Composition and Language English 1010. My name is John Conway, and I'll be your instructor this next 5.5 weeks. Wanted to give you guys a brief, video lecture so you could at least see my face one time and hear my voice, and just kind of cover some of the basics of the course. If you're familiar with the online, e-college that we have, you can basically start at the top of the course on the left-hand sidebar and kind of work your way down. So at the top of the course, you'll see a variety of tabs, a syllabus tab, the academic expectations tabs, academic resources. There's a questions for the professor area where you can ask questions of me, and then a couple online lectures about plagiarism and MLA style. So once you've kind of perused all that, you can get to week one, which is an introductory thread. And just by way of introducing myself, I've been teaching for 20 years, 10 of those online, and I've taught a variety of different kinds of platforms, a lot of different kinds of courses, at the Art Institute, mainly composition, American Lit, Brit Lit, creative writing, that kind of stuff. And really like dealing with the Art Institute students as creative majors and going into creative design fields. I really like talking about what you're up to and the kinds of projects that you're involved with. I have done a lot of creative work myself in the writing area, from academic essays to journalism, even some short fiction in there, as well as business correspondence, that kind of stuff. So I know a thing or two about writing, and we'll look forward to helping you. That's really the heart of this course, is about writing an academic paper. So hopefully I can get you in the right direction, even if you're not, a great writer. There's really no mystery to it. It's about doing the work, and practicing. So if you're feeling a little bit, scared, you shouldn't. We're all here to learn, and it's okay if you're not Hemingway. So none of us are. So it's okay. Each week, you'll see a variety of online lectures, online content, as well as usually the two writing assignments are, sorry, the two assignments that you're responsible for each week are usually some sort of writing assignment, which is on a discussion thread, as well as a series of quizzes. The second assignment is usually a trio of quizzes, so grammar, style, that kind of stuff. So those will be the two assignments each week. It is an accelerated term. We're going to go pretty fast, so you'll just want to try to stay on top of things. But stay in contact with me. If you have to turn something in late, it's okay. I'll accept it. If you're turning in stuff late all the time, that could be a problem, so we'll want to work on that. But do stay in touch with me. I'm pretty reasonable, and I understand, non-traditional students have a lot of different goals and responsibilities and families sometimes and jobs. So I was also a non-traditional student. I had children, a wife, and a job. And I drove down to the main campus here in South Carolina, University South Carolina, which is in Columbia, which is 2 hours away. So I would commute once a week all the way down and back. So I do understand the stresses of being a non-traditional student, and I know they can be very stressful. So I just want to let you know that I am reasonable, and just reach out to me, and I can help you out, even if it has to do with late work. Okay, so that's the main gist of the course. Feel free to ask questions in the questions for the professor area. That's where I can get in touch with you. You can also email me in the class as well. So at the email tab at the top of the course. So thanks for listening, and I'll look forward to getting to know all of you on the introductions thread. Thanks. Bye.